A German couple, Max and Magdalena Herberg, came to China's Hefei in November 2021 and has settled here.
I like Hefei really much because it's a modern city with a lot of modern buildings and modern structure. We like this really much, and you can explore so many places, especially for kids. I like that we have so many playgrounds and indoor playgrounds. So for our son, it's the best life here.
It's a totally different lifestyle. So where we live in Germany, it's like a small village. So with like 40,000 people, it's a normal town in Germany, but here it's like a very small village. And the environment is totally different. We adapted very quickly to this new situation, especially as we said, Hefei as the fast developing city is having new opportunities day by day.
The company Max works for, Volkswagen Anhui, is the first dedicated new energy vehicle joint venture in China, which focuses on the R&D and manufacturing of NEVs.
So I already work here for 1.5 years now. So it's a very challenging new experience because we started from zero when I arrived here. And in the meantime, we ramped up to like 3,000 people already. So it's a very fast growing company. And day by day, you have new challenges. And you can see your footprints day by day. So you can see the achievement of work every day.
Magdalena has opened a German-style bakery in Hefei as she misses the food in her hometown.
So we are the first German bakery here. I missed our German bread. I also wanted to create a place that is like their second living room. You know, so this was what I wanted to create, like a really cozy place for all the people, for the families.
We like the life here, we like the bakery. I like my work at Volkswagen a lot.